Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to show that your products are on sale and it will show the discounted price. So at the end of the video, your product will be like this. So there is a normal price and discounted price. So first, you can go to your Shopify dashboard and then go to your products here. For that, you can go to your specific product. And then you can scroll down until you see the pricing here. So if you want to see the discounted price, you can just put the price here. So it will show the discounted price. Let's say this one. And this is the for the compare at price. Let's say 100. And you can just click save here. After that, you can go back to the product page and you can refresh the page and it will show the compared price and the regular price. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.